One morning, Preston had arrived at the central station. He was surprised to see Bruno waiting there.
What's up, Bruno? You should have left by now.
Well, a lady was running up to me just as I was about to leave and tried to get on board. I couldn't believe it. It was only 3 minutes until the next tram. But now my doors are jammed and I'm waiting for the line to be cleared so I can get to Sam's workshop.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that, Bruno. I hope Sam can mend your doors for you.
Yeah, so do I.
Just then Robert arrived. He was a maintenance tram who lived at Sam's workshop and a true friend of Mr. Wells's trams.
Line's all clear for you, Bruno.
Thanks, Robert.
So Bruno left the station. Later that day he was rolling sadly along the line. Eric was on the opposite track.
Something wrong? You look worried.
I've just seen Sam at his workshop. I have to wait till Thursday now for a special engineer to come and look at these faulty doors of mine.
Hello, what is this? We stopped for chitter-chatter, do we?
No, Lambert, certainly not, never, no.
You know something? They will scrap trams that do not work. Not like us lorries. Why? Because we work very hard, always.
Prove it.
You see this package I take to chocolate factory? It's my 11th package today. How many runs on your line do you make?
That's my 8th run.
Ha! There you go then! Ha ha ha!
Southbound, that is. That's my 16th journey overall.
Trams are better than lorries and you know it, Lambert. We are faster, stronger, and we provide a service to our city by helping millions of people get around every day.
But without the supplies I deliver, we would not have the many things that people buy in the shops.
Look, you know what you should really do? Race. The one who covers the same distance and back again at the same time is the winner.
Actually, this is good idea. So, Tram, we race on Thursday, yes? At 10 a.m.?
10 a.m? Oh, sorry, I can't. I have an appointment with an engineer to sort out these...
So, you double up as Lizzie and chicken?
Well, no, but, Oh, fine, I'll do it. I accept.
Okay, Thursday is big day then, bye-bye.
Don't worry, Bruno. You'll be fine.
Really?
Yeah, you're gonna show that lorry who's boss on Thursday. You should have beaten by far.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, on Thursday morning, a racetrack had been set up for Bruno and Lambert. Everyone waited at the depot for Lambert.
Are you sure this is a good idea, sir?
Of course I'm sure. Publicity's gonna be huge. There's people gathered all over the city to see them racing. Can't let them down now, can we?
Oh, well, Lambert's not here. Oh, what a shame. I guess I'll have to call the whole race off. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Back to our normal jobs, everyone. Yeah.
Oh, it's only 9:59, Bruno.
Ready to race, Tram?
Lambert, I was built ready.
Soon, Lambert and Bruno were at the starting line.
Your routes will take you around different parts of the city, but you will turn around at the exact same place. Your route will be exactly the same distance. Oh, by the way, you will be watched by security cameras to make sure you don't cheat. So without any further ado, it's 1 for the money, 2 for the money, 3 for even more money, and 4 to go.
Come on, Bruno, you can do it.
This'll all end in tears.
Excuse me, are you Sam? Where's this tram you want me to fix? I ain't got long, you know.
Bruno raced through Glens Park Station to enormous cheers. He roared through Central and shot like a dart past the stadium.
Oh, I can't do it. No, I can't stop. I can't let everyone down now. I must keep going. I need to go on.
Lambert sneered as he thundered down the roads.
I saw the tram who is boss.
Hola, Senor Lambert!
What are you doing? I'm racing here!
We rearranged the cones for ya, just like you told us to. You're sure to win now.
You what? Look, it gives security cameras all over city. Call the cheating off, now! But, senor, you told us to. Yes, I know what I said, but... Oh, come on, boss. Bottling is much quicker.
You get nowhere with telling the truth all the time, Lambert.
Meanwhile, Bruno was racing past Bertram's bakery. He was very worried.
Yeah, you're gonna do it, man! You're gonna do it, Bruno! Go on!
Oh, it's no use. I don't think I can do this. Oh, I feel very funny.
And then suddenly, one of Bruno's doors snapped off.
Oh! Yeah, that's the way, laddie. Lambert will never know what hit him.
Oh my! Oh no! Somebody help me!
By one, all of Bruno's doors broke off.
Help me!
Haha, well done, Bruno. You made it in a time of 28 minutes and 23 seconds. Now get turning around and... Good grief, Bruno. You need to get to the repair yard right now.
But that's all the way back on the other side of the city. It can't possibly be safe for me to travel so far like this.
You're right, but don't worry. I'll shunt you back.
Is that allowed in a race?
Race or no race, I'm going to help you.
Oh, thank you, Robert. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't mention it. Well, I guess I'd better radio Sam and let him know you're alright.
So Robert shunted Bruno all the way back to Sam's workshop. Bruno thought he looked silly, but to his surprise, the crowds were cheering.
Hey everyone, look at that! That's real friendship, that is. That's real dedication. Hooray for Robert and Bruno! Hooray!
Bruno smiled, but suddenly he could hear laughing.
Don't worry, I don't think it's you they're laughing at.
A police car was towing Lambert along the road, who had bashed headlights and mud all over his front. The taxi trio were following close behind.
Apparently, it was called Potter Lane for a reason. Whoa.
Well, since Lambert is disqualified, I'm proud to declare that our winner by default is Bruno.
I think we have two winners here today. The other one is Robert. He helped Bruno all the way here, and I believe that is truly worth a mention and a reward.
Quite right, Sam, thank you. Bruno, the engineer, says he still has time to fix your doors.
Oh, thank you, sir. And I think Robert here, he really deserves a new coat of paint, don't you think, sir?
I've always wanted a fresh new coat of paint. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hang on. Eric, Albert and Mr. Wells, you three encouraged Bruno to race and not see the engineer first.
We did? Oh yeah. For Robert and Bruno, however, life on the tramway couldn't have been